Hello everybody, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Kitchens have become so much more than a place to prepare meals, they're the heart of the home. They're where stories are shared over coffee, recipes are passed down, and families come together to create lasting memories. But designing or remodeling a kitchen can feel overwhelming with so many trends and choices out there. In this video, we're diving into the most inspiring modern kitchen designs and remodel ideas that blend function, style, and innovation. Whether you're planning a full makeover or just looking for fresh ideas to elevate your space, you're in the right place. Let's explore how you can transform your kitchen into a masterpiece that's as practical as it is beautiful. Open-concept kitchens have become a staple of modern design, and it's easy to see why. By removing barriers like walls and doors, these layouts create a seamless flow between the kitchen and adjacent spaces, such as the dining or living room. This design not only makes the area feel larger and brighter, but also promotes better interaction, perfect for families or entertaining guests. A standout feature of open-concept layouts is the large kitchen island. It often becomes the centerpiece, providing additional prep space, a casual dining spot, or even a social hub where everyone gathers. To ensure the entire area feels cohesive, consider using the same flooring throughout and sticking to a consistent color palette. Soft neutrals or warm wood tones work beautifully for this approach. Open-concept kitchens are about more than just aesthetics, they bring people together while making everyday tasks more convenient. Technology is transforming the way kitchens function, and smart kitchens are at the forefront of this revolution. Imagine controlling your oven, refrigerator, or even your coffee maker with just a tap on your phone or a simple voice command. These high-tech additions are designed to make cooking and everyday tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. Some standout features include Wi-Fi-enabled appliances that let you preheat your oven on your way home or smart faucets that dispense exact amounts of water at specific temperatures. Even lighting has gone smart, with systems that adjust brightness based on the time of day or your activity. Not only are these features convenient, but they also add a touch of futuristic sophistication to your kitchen. Investing in smart technology can make your kitchen feel like it's not just keeping up with the times but setting the trends. Two-tone cabinets are redefining kitchen aesthetics by introducing contrast and character to the space. This design trend involves using different colors or finishes for the upper and lower cabinets, creating a layered, visually dynamic look. It's a simple yet effective way to add depth without overwhelming the space. One popular combination is pairing neutral tones, like white or beige, on the upper cabinets with bold hues, such as navy blue or deep green, on the lower ones. This not only grounds the design, but also keeps the space feeling open and airy. Another approach is to mix materials, such as matte finishes for one section and glossy surfaces for the other, to add subtle texture. This design strategy works well in both small and large kitchens, offering versatility while allowing you to express your personal style. Two-tone cabinets bring a modern twist to classic cabinetry, making your kitchen stand out effortlessly. Natural materials are making a big comeback in modern kitchen design, offering both timeless beauty and a connection to the environment. Stone countertops, like marble or quartz, bring a luxurious yet earthy feel, while wood-paneled cabinets add warmth and texture. These elements not only look stunning but also create a welcoming and organic atmosphere. Sustainability is also playing a huge role in this trend. Many homeowners are opting for eco-friendly materials, such as bamboo, reclaimed wood, or recycled glass, which are both stylish and environmentally responsible. These choices reflect a growing desire for spaces that are as sustainable as they are functional. To enhance the natural vibe, pair these materials with soft, warm lighting and earthy tones in your decor. This combination creates a cohesive and calming space that's perfect for cooking, dining, and spending time with loved ones. Natural materials bring timeless elegance while keeping your kitchen grounded and inviting. In modern kitchens, clever storage is a game changer. Hidden storage solutions not only keep clutter out of sight but also enhance the sleek and minimalist look that defines contemporary design. These solutions maximize every inch of your kitchen, making it both practical and stylish. One standout idea is concealed drawers and pull-out pantries. They blend seamlessly into cabinetry, maintaining clean lines while providing ample space for everything from spices to cookware. Appliance garages are another smart feature. These compartments tuck away small appliances like toasters or blenders, keeping your countertops free of clutter. For tricky areas, like corners, rotating shelves or pull-out carousels make accessing stored items easy. Even under-sink organizers and vertical dividers for trays and cutting boards can transform overlooked spaces into functional ones. With hidden storage solutions, your kitchen stays organized and visually stunning, proving that modern design is as much about efficiency as it is about aesthetics. A bold backsplash can completely transform the look of a kitchen, turning a functional necessity into a statement piece. Modern designs are moving beyond traditional tiles, embracing materials like textured stone, metallic finishes, or even glass. These eye-catching options add a layer of sophistication and personality to the space. For those who love a dramatic touch, extending the backsplash all the way to the ceiling is a growing trend. This approach not only draws the eye upward, making the room feel taller, but also creates a striking focal point. Geometric patterns and intricate mosaics are also popular, blending artistry with practicality. To tie the design together, match the colors or finishes of your backsplash with other elements in the kitchen, like bar stools or cabinet hardware. A bold backsplash is more than just a backdrop, it's a feature that sets the tone for the entire kitchen, blending creativity with modern elegance. Modern kitchen design is all about blending style, functionality, and a touch of innovation. From the seamless flow of open-concept layouts to the sleek sophistication of hidden storage solutions, every element works together to create a space that's as beautiful as it is practical. Whether it's the boldness of a statement backsplash, the natural elegance of organic materials, or the high-tech convenience of smart appliances, there's something for every taste and lifestyle. These ideas aren't just trends, they're inspirations to help you reimagine your kitchen into a place that feels uniquely yours. So, take these ideas and start planning your dream kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more design inspiration. And let us know which trend sparked your imagination the most in the comments below. Your journey to a modern, stunning kitchen starts here.